about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And this whole month, we are being very polite. And this is something that's common both in English and in Chinese. But let's say you want to ask something, you would always add the phrase 请问 at the beginning of a question. 怎么说请问？
请问，
请问 OK 在英文里面其实也是啊，有时候我们说 Can I go to the bathroom 还是 May I go to the bathroom May I 才是比较有礼貌嘛，我可以吗那样子请问一下，
老师就说可以。
是的 Alright 你也知道我爱吃，
看得出来。
不要这样子，而且越来越看得出来，对不对？你的离题咯。Okay, let's say you're in a new neighborhood and you want to ask what's good around for food, you know? 请问这附近有好吃的吗？ Is there anything good around here to eat?
请问秋群有好吃的吗？
请问秋群有好吃的吗？秋群是
这就附近咯。
附近 That means around 秋群 Okay, that means around here. Is there anything good to eat? 有好吃的吗？有没有好的吃的啊？前面
你的地盘啊，那你要告诉我咯。
我跟你讲，最近我比较迷上，以前我比较喜欢吃饭，但我最近迷上吃面。
难怪脸越来越圆了，像一坨面团。
谢谢你。所以呢，前面有一间面店很好吃啦，介绍给你啦，让你越吃越像我啦。
好啦，千万不可。
前面有一间面店很好吃 ，There is a noodle shop in front that's really good.
頭前有一間，
頭前有一間
面店董好吃。
面店董好吃，这个我爱吃面，所以这整句话我可以自己来解释。頭前 that means in front 前面嘛，有一間就是有一間嘛 ，There is a 面店就是面店，然后董好吃。好，那我们去看看。All right, let's go check it out.
好，給人來去看看啦。
好，給人來去看看啦。看看啦，就是去看看。
OK.
All right, and
不要只看啦，要吃。
要吃啊，对，没错。好 ，Let's review these phrases, okay? Nearby 附近。
秋群
and then a noodle shop 面店。
面店
and then let's go check it out 去看看。
去看看啦。
And it's all about asking 请问 very politely 请问 May I ask you
请问
好了，肚子饿了，真的
走啦，来吃吧。
All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.